Could you provide an informative breakdown of the DOLE case flow in the Philippines? Specifically, I'd like to understand the following. Certainly, here's a brief breakdown of the DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment, case flow in the Philippines. The first one is filing of complaint. An employee files a formal complaint with the DOLE regarding a labor dispute or violation. Second is mediation. DOLE attempts to facilitate a settlement between the parties through mediation, assessment, and investigation. If mediation fails, DOLE conducts an investigation to gather facts and evidence related to the complaint. Number 4. Conciliation. Further attempts are made to resolve the dispute through conciliation. The fifth one is administrative adjudication. If unresolved, the case moves to a formal hearing before a labor arbiter. And number 6 is decision. The labor arbiter issues a decision based on the findings and applicable labor laws. And number 7 is appeals. Parties dissatisfied with the decision can appeal the National Labor Relations Commission, NLRC. Number 8 is execution. Once a decision becomes final, the winning party can proceed with enforcing the decision terms. This process aims to address labor issues efficiently and fairly, promoting compliance with labor laws and ensuring just resolution for disputes. Each step is designed to facilitate settlement and, if necessary, provide a legal avenue for resolution through adjudication and appeals. What are the different agencies involved in handling labor dispute? Here a concise overview of the different agencies involved in handling labor dispute in the Philippines. The first one is Department of Labor and Employment, DOLE, responsible for enforcing labor law and regulation, handle complaints related to labor standards, employment, and labor relations, facilitate dispute resolution through mediation, conciliation, and adjudication. The number 2 is National Labor Relations Commission, NLRC, acts as an appellate body for labor disputes, hears appeals on the cases decided by labor arbiters, resolve disputes involving unfair labor practices, termination issues, and other labor-related matters. And number 3 is labor arbiters. Part of the NLRC, conduct hearings and adjudicate labor dispute at the first instances, issues decision in cases such as unfair dismissal, wage claims, and labor standard violation. Number 4 is Bureau of Labor Relations, BLR. BLR, under DOLE, promotes stable labor management relation, facilitates collective bargaining, negotiation, and helps settlement industrial disputes. And the number 5 is Employees Compensation Commission, ECC. Manage the Employees Compensation Program, ECP, provides benefits for work-related injuries, disabilities, or deaths. And number 6 is Overseas Worker Welfare Administration, which is called OWA. Supports Filipino migrant worker, OFWs, and their families. Handle issues related to employment, contracts, remittance, and welfare benefits of OFWs. This agency works together to ensure compliance with labor laws, protect the right of the workers, and provide mechanism for resolving their labor disputes effectively and fairly across various sectors of employment in the Philippines. Each agency plays a specific role in addressing different aspects of labor-related concerns and disputes. The third question and the final question: which type of labor disputes are typically heard at each agency, specifically the NLRC, BLRAN, and POEA? Additionally, what is the appellate process for appealing decision made by this agency? Labor disputes in the Philippines are typically heard by a specific agency of the dispute. Here's a breakdown of the types of labor disputes commonly handled by the NLRC, BLR, and POEA. NLRC, National Labor Relations Commission, handle dispute related to unfair labor practices, termination issues, wage and benefit claims, labor standard violation, and collective bargaining disputes. And the second one is BLR, which is Bureau of Labor Relations, facilitates collective bargaining negotiation and assists in resolving labor management disputes, particularly involving collective bargaining, agreements, and labor relations. And the POEA, Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, addresses disputes concerning overseas employment, including contract violation, recruitment issues, deployment problems, repatriation, and welfare of welfare concern of overseas Filipino workers. These agencies have a specialized jurisdiction and function in addressing specific type of labor disputes, ensuring that appropriate remedies and resolution are provided to affected parties. Please note that this list is not exhaustive, and there may be other type of dispute that this agency handle based on the circumstances of each case. In summary, the appellate process involved escalating appeals to higher authorities or court depending on the agency and the type of dispute. It's essential for parties to adhere to specific timelines and procedural requirements when pursuing appeal to ensure their cases are properly considered and also reviewed.